Hey, YouTube! Chances are you landed on this video because you've been searching for a way to get yourself a free Google Play gift card in 2025. And yep, that's exactly what I'm about to show you. This method is super straightforward, and it'll let you claim a $100 Google Play balance that you can use to buy apps, games, movies, whatever you want on the Play Store. Let's dive into it. All right, guys, I'm doing this on my phone with internet access. You can use a computer, but honestly, doing it on your mobile is just way easier and quicker. Highly recommend sticking with that. Now go ahead and launch your browser and head over to this site, www.blinkperk.com. That's the one, blinkperk.com. Make sure you type it correctly so you're not ending up somewhere sketchy. This site gives out promo codes and offers for different things, games, apps, gift cards, and more. Once you're on the site, scroll through or just use the search feature. Type in Google Play, and the page with the gift card code offer should show up right away. You'll see the option to grab a $100 Google Play code, but just a heads up. They're limited, and there's a one code per person policy. So if you're thinking you'll grab a dozen of these, not going to happen. You get one legit code and that's it. To get your code, just tap the unlock button and let it load. I'm not going to complete the process right now since I don't want to waste one of the available codes on this demo. Once that progress bar hits 100%, it'll redirect you. And if it's your first time using the site, they'll ask you to verify that you're a real user. Nothing sketchy, just a quick verification process. It usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes tops. You'll just need to follow the steps and complete a couple simple tasks. After that, the system will unlock your personal code and boom, it's all yours. Once you have it, just go to your Google Play Store, paste it in, and enjoy your $100 in free credits. Super easy. I tried a bunch of sketchy methods before this, and this is the one that actually works. No spam, no fake surveys, just straight to the point. So again, go to blinkperk.com, search for Google Play, follow the instructions, unlock your code, and you're good to go. That's going to save you time, energy, and of course, money. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and hit subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Catch you in the next one. Peace.